Your blood pressure tells an important story about your health. The challenge isn't just taking a reading, it's understanding what those numbers mean and building the habits that help you stay on track. That's why we've reimagined the ADC Home app, making it simpler to use, easier to understand, and more supportive of your overall health objectives. Paired with an Advantage Connect blood pressure monitor, ADC Home transforms everyday readings into meaningful insights. Track your progress, understand trends, set personalized goals, and stay connected to your health, all from your smartphone. ADC now offers two Bluetooth-connected home units, the all-new Advantage Connect 6115 wrist monitor and our refreshed upper arm monitor, the Advantage Connect 6024N. Your connected monitor and the ADC Home app work together to maximize clinical accuracy and everyday convenience. Here's how. Better technique leads to more accurate readings. The ADC Home app includes proven measurement tips and a guided breathing tool designed to help users prepare for every reading with confidence. Every reading tells a story. See your results automatically synced and displayed in context, helping you understand what your numbers mean the moment they're recorded. Healthy habits are built through consistency. Set personalized goals, schedule reminders, and stay on track with tools designed to support long-term success. Sharing a monitor? No problem. With support for two separate user profiles, couples can track their progress independently while using the same device. Don't just see today's numbers, see the trends behind them. Track progress over time and gain a clearer understanding of where you've been and where you're headed. You can share these insights with your healthcare team as well. Simply export the data you'd like to send, then text or email in seconds. The new ADC Home app was designed to be clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Get started quickly with the built-in app tour or access help tools whenever you need them. Experience a smarter way to monitor your health at home. Download the app now from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Or to learn more, visit adctoday.com/ADC@home.